Hi, I'm Dr. Janice, and today we're going to talk about dermal fillers. Dermal fillers are sterile, injectable, gel dermal implants that can be used to increase volume in the tissues and restore lines, folds, and wrinkles. Typically, dermal fillers are made out of hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a substance which is already in your body, so therefore integrates into your tissues very well and safely. In my clinic, I use dermal fillers in the lips, which is the most obvious one, cheeks, nasolabial folds, which run from the corner of the nose down to the mouth, perioral lines to restore the chin and improve the facial profile, along the jawline, chin shadowing. We also use it into the temple, which can hollow with age or weight loss, and into the nose to straighten little bumps, but it can also be used across many little fine lines that I haven't mentioned as well. Dermal fillers can sometimes feel like a bit of a cookie cutter approach. Everyone looks the same. With my approach, I like to assess your face and plan the treatment for you so that it looks ideal in your facial proportions. My ethos with dermal fillers is simple. Restore to an ideal shape and position, and then maintain without over-maintaining. Dermal fillers, we must remember, are injectable implants, and they don't break down just as quickly as sometimes people assume that they do. So therefore, it's important not to over-maintain the area so that we don't end up looking overfilled. They are very safe, they are very good treatments, but they need to be used sparingly and with thought and good technique. Quite often people will ask me, when will I need my dermal fillers again? And the answer to that is, I don't know. Dermal fillers are a dermal implant and they will behave differently in different areas of the face where perhaps they're being moved around, but they will also behave differently within different people. So there will be times where we'll maybe need to replace them more often or perhaps more slowly, depending on weight loss. Will you go through maybe a rapid period of aging because we're more stressed? So it is always different for everyone. My ethos is only replace them whenever they need to be replaced. So if you have a relationship with your practitioner, that is something that is up for discussion and we can decide when that's necessary. Most patients find dermal filler treatments very comfortable, and this is because they contain a little bit of local anaesthetic, but we can also apply numbing cream as well if needed. You may experience slight swelling of around 10 to 20% and tenderness in the area for a day or two. That is completely normal. Bruising can sometimes happen as well, but usually it is minimal and you can reduce your risks by avoiding alcohol for 24 hours beforehand and also after. If you're considering dermal fillers for a natural rejuvenation, why not get in touch?